Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 10 of saving $6 a day in my minis in July. So I have this little mini set that I made. It's in my Etsy, probably on my website, but I know for sure it's in my Etsy. I'll link it above or below or on the screen. You know, I probably shouldn't have filmed this as early as I did. So this is my quarter minis. It is Sharkmas month, Christmas in July, and Shark Week month. So I'm going to put my $6 in our little minis bank, and that money just stays there until we finish something. And then I'm going to take my prop coins that are 25 cents but worth $6 in total, and then we're going to flip to our start here. Can you even see? Yeah, he's right there. I'm just going to do that. I'm going to lean on him. Lean on me. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I won't sing. It's way too early. I should never sing, but like, okay, let's bring you here. I'm still going to use my Coke Zero D3. If I can, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if you did not watch yesterday's daily video, I give a kind of a sneak insight into one of my Shark Week items that will be released. So if you want to go back after this one and watch that one, you totally can. All right, so we're going to remove this. And we are going to start at number 2 with our D3. And we're going to put 1 down for number 2. 3 for 3. Always a good day when that happens. 3 for number 4. The Mako is one of Babe's favorites. 2 for leopard shark. Go to black tip. That's one of mine. I've swam with them the most. That gets 3. And I've been around them when they just very itty bitty babies, like literally this big. Probably one of the cutest things I've ever seen in my whole life. And they're like the little wave that comes in that crashes at the beach was like this tall, and they were like riding that little wave. It was literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. Great white by far is my favorite though. And then we are going to go to the gray reef for 3. I hope I put money in 2. I think I did. And then number 4, also one of mine and Babe's favorite, the great hammerhead. He has been lucky enough to swim or scuba dive and have like the massive group of them above him. I'm kind of jealous that I wasn't there, but that's okay. And then we have 2 more. And 1 is going to go to 5 and 1 is going to go to 6. And then we are going to start at 1 next time. And we're going to start at 1 right now. All right, so let's scoot them things back. As much as I want to give you all the glare in the world, I'm trying to be mindful. Okay, 25, 50, and 75 going into number 1. This is the pie from Tiffany at Budget with Tiffany 26. 75. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. Trying to use up my Crayola clicks. Alright, so let's put this back in here. That one's going to household when we're done. Alright, number 2 got 25, 50, and 75. So the great white. That's what we needed. So we finished this one from Kimmy's Corner. Yay! Alright, so we have 25, 55, and 70. Did I say 55? 25, 50, and 75. Oh, math. Okay, so that's going to save us $6 for those. I'm going to scoot you there and put you there. Yay, 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 yay. So we need a new one, but we don't have any money. Let's do... Oh, this one's one of mine. I didn't know I put one of mine in here. All right, so this is one of my, I think this is a freebie on Ko-fi, I think. So it is 25 cents a heart, except for this one is 50 cents. We do not have anything to go in there. So we'll put that in for tomorrow. And then we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50. So $1.50 going into our gray reef. Excuse me. So $1.50. All right, so we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50. Ooh, we are 50 cents away from oh heifer, please. from Kimmy's Corner. This was a Wednesday night exclusive. If you do not go to Kimmy's Lives or Judy's, they give away a lot of stuff and they're so fun, and you get to meet a lot of other people in the comments, and it's just a really fun time. Same with Jeanette at Jeanette's Journey. What day is today? Her live on Saturday night is going to be off the hook. Do people say that still? Off the chain? I don't know. I don't know what we're off these days, but she has a launch coming and she does prizes and all kinds of stuff. So depending on what day, I don't even know what day it is. It's not hump day. Hump day, I know that. I think it's Friday. So tomorrow night, make sure you check out Judy's Live and Jeanette's Live. All right, so we have $1.25 going into our Norellis budget, sweater weather. So $1, so 25, 50, 75, and $1, and then 25. And this was a member exclusive. So we'll put that back in here. And then number 5 has 50 cents. And the Mako is, drum roll please. Oh, that's what we needed. We finished budgeting with Kim. I'm going to miss coloring in the stars. Okay, so I'm going to color in these 2 stars. So definitely fast forward through this because I'm going to take my time because I want to enjoy the last 2 stars. All right, there it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will save us $5, or did save us $5. And it's gone to the buffer. Did I write where that one's going? Walmart Plus. Awesome. All right, so we need a new one. Let's go. What's this one? Oh, Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. Each one is 50 cents instead of 25, and it's going to save us $3. Love it. I remember doing this like a year ago because she had a nice little freebie bunch. All right, so now we are on number 6. So we got 25, 50, and 75. We have Bookish Mama Budgets. So I can do 3 more circles. This is going to be squeaky, so I'm going to try to go light and fast forward. Okay, 2 things I realized during that. The blue is less squeaky, and it's not purple. So I meant to grab purple, but I got blue, but it wasn't less squeaky, so I guess that part's good. All right, so this is, again, Library Cafe from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. All right, so that is all of my things. We finished 2 of them. I'm going to scoot that shark out of the way. So let's go back to the front. And we are going to put our prop coins away. Kind of nice thing about having all quarters is you don't have to shuffle, you don't have to do any of that. All right, so we have Budgeting with Kim, we have our super cute patriotic truck, and we have from Kimmy's Corner our patriotic tinies. So 5 and 6. So let's see what we got. We have $5 for that one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for that one. All right, so let's see what we have. Let me move this really quick. All right, so we have buffer. Everything should be in this one, I believe. So let's go to buffer. So that's getting $5. And then our Walmart Plus. I'm very excited about this one because look at that, $6 going right in here, and we are making excellent progress on this. That isn't due until November. All right, so I'll put these 2 back in the shark binder, not the shark binder, the minis binder for completed, just to show what we've been able to do. It's a nice visual to keep track. So, all right, day 10, I believe. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I love doing these minis, and I love being able to stuff them right away, just in case I need it. Like, what if I needed well, I didn't need Walmart Plus right away, but like household or something else, it's just nice to have a couple extra bucks whenever I finish one. So thanks very much for hanging out. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. And until next time, take care. Bye.